Are you ready for the heart-stopping revelation about the housing market? I have June numbers for you of how we're doing so far and what markets are tanking. I also have where we're going to get the inventory to have this housing market crash and how we're going to get there. And it's all for you guys. And this is the D Money channel. I absolutely adore you guys. Let's get into it. As far as June sales, it's just the same. Where is everyone? Where'd they go? Hello, buyers. Buyers aren't buying, sellers aren't selling. We're at a standstill. This is not surprising. The numbers, there are no buyers. It's unbelievable. The markets, I'll put this up on the screen. The markets that have been hit the worst are continuing to be the same markets. Your Austin, Texas. Last year, they had over 1,400 single family homes, condos, townhomes sold. Right now, they're sitting at 289 homes. Condos or townhomes that have been sold. Wow. They have a lot of inventory as well. Baltimore, Maryland, way down. Charlotte, North Carolina. Colorado Springs, Denver, Colorado. Durham, North Carolina. Fort Lauderdale, Fort Myers. Everyone is way down year to year. Texas, I think all the buyers left. They're staying indoors. Like no one's buying in Texas. That market is tanked. Las Vegas, of course, down massively. It's the same market, same story. Buyers have left, and the interesting part, and no one's really talked about this, I have a few times, if you look at the markets that have been hit the hardest, they are all markets that the iBuyers bought in and or the big hedge fund institutional money. And I want to share that with you guys today because it is just black and white right there for you. There's no mistaking. Everyone continues to say that the housing market's not going to crash because we don't have the inventory. Watch this. We have the inventory. Want to see it again? We have the inventory. That's how quick it could happen. And I'm not joking. With the blink of an eye, we can have enough inventory where we can have a proper housing market crash. And I want to share this with you. These are the top buyers in United States. First two that I'm going to talk about aren't even the top buyers. Just the past 2 years, they've been purchasing a lot of real estate and really not doing a great job. And that is Opendoor and OfferPad. Opendoor has lost over $1 billion in 1 year. How does that happen? How is that okay? I'd like to just have 10% of it. I'll actually make you money. If you're listening, Mr. Hedge Fund, I'll be more than happy to take that off your hands and help you move that inventory. Look at this up here. This is Opendoor. They own 5,566 properties thanks to my lovely batch leads. I love them with their info that they give us. They've spent in the past 2 years over $1 billion, and in the past 24 months, they have spent $2 billion. Wow. They have an open loan amount, so they have debt of 1B. I'm so cool now, I can say 1B. I'm part of the group. And this is the funny part, is their average purchase price was $410,000. When they added up all of the homes that they bought, the average purchase price was $410,000. The average value is $198K. Good job, guys. High five each other on that one. That was really good. Shocking. All right, then you have OfferPad, the other boy wonders that are doing an awesome job. Lost, half a B. They have cut their portfolio down to 1,100 homes that they have now. They were up in, that 5,000 territory as well, but they have now taken them off their balance sheet and have been moving properties off. Their average purchase price for their properties were $329,000 and the value is $232K. Again, not surprising, and we can see why they are having issues. Amazing. Now, if you look at the big boys, the real big boys, other thing that all of these companies have in common is they all buy the same markets. Las Vegas, Charlotte, North Carolina, Texas, the hot spots in California, Florida. It's the same market. So if any of these guys decide to just sell off some of their inventory because they don't want their balance sheets looking like, I'm not going to say, there's your housing inventory. When you add up all of these homes that these guys own, it's as much that is listed right now for sale. Think about that. Of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 companies that I pulled their data today, when you add them all together, that's how many listings we have right now. We have a little over 400,000 homes that they own. You think they're just going to lose money forever? You don't think they would liquidate any of their portfolio? Absolutely. So if they just blink, that's what I was saying, if they just blink, we have inventory. You don't have to worry about the inventory. And the reason the Fed did not raise rates today is because, Jamie Dimon needs some more banks, and they're starting to tighten credit criteria. They're going to let that ride for a little while. I mean, you only have so many cards to play. Why would the Fed use all their cards when they can let the banks do it for them for free? They don't have to put their neck out there on the line. They can have the banks tighten credit, and it gives them the same effect as if they would have raised mortgage rates. See? 1 + 1 is 2. If you guys enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. We're new. I hate to ask, but I was looking the other day, and 99% of my viewership, they aren't subscribers. I pouted. I did. I'm still pouting. Okay, so what I want to show you, Invitation Homes. There is a very large buyer. Invitation Homes, as you can see on the screen, they own 64,000 single family homes. Wow. I don't want to be them when I grow up. I mean, a little bit, like 10%. 64,000 homes. They just peeled off some of their inventory. There you go. Housing crash has started. Then you have American Homes for Rent. These guys, 48,000 single family homes that they own. I mean, these are some serious numbers. This is how cool I am now. Total open loan limits of 2T. Oh my goodness, wow. All of these people always say these are cash buyers coming in the market. They're not cash buyers. First of all, everyone's a cash buyer. Eventually, cash has to change hands. It's just how they position it. They're taking on debt. Why wouldn't they? It was at 2 and 3%. I would have tried to have as much debt as I possibly could the past couple of years at 2, 3%, and you're making 9, 10, 11. I mean, let's rock on. I mean, that's great numbers. You could do that all day long, and guess what? They did. 2T. Wow. Impressive. I bow to you. American Homes for Rent. Colony Capital. They're showing 2,200 properties, but they have a bunch of different companies that they take title in the name of. And you have Progress Homes, 72,000 homes. So if any of these guys blink or sneeze, we have enough inventory. We can have a housing crash. Don't worry. We've got the inventory covered. I know everyone just keeps talking about this inventory. It drives me crazy. It can happen. What's going to happen now is you're going to start to see the unemployment numbers go up. What happens when unemployment numbers go up? People start losing homes. Now they've tried to protect people. They now have the 40-year AM. They're loosening up credit criteria. They're playing the normal games that they play. I look to see in the next coming months, 2-3 months, unemployment numbers are going to go up. They're going to let this ride. They're going to see, no one knows the answer. I'm on here, I come on strong, and I believe I'm correct. Or I wouldn't be saying the things I'm saying. No one has the answers. It takes one bank run, any major event to happen, and people start, getting panic, and that's when things happen. No one knows, but if you look at the tea leaves, this is stop worrying about inventory. Inventory can come fast at a blink of an eye. I do want you to protect yourselves. I want you to have reserves in case the worst happens. Definitely go to our website, dmoneypedia.com. I have that credit card and loan book. You can have a credit score as low as 400 and get approved. That's why we picked these lenders. It's soft pull only. It won't affect your score. Get reserves. Make sure you guys are okay and have 6 months of living, even if it's on a credit card. Put it in your drawer. Know you have it and that you're protected, because I absolutely adore you guys. This is D Money. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below if you need me to do any particular videos, and peace out.